So, thank you for dropping by, guys. Thank you for make me laugh. Thank you for whatever it is. So, Jeremy, ano na naman yung, ano kasi, nasa, ano na naman sila, may na-held review na naman. Ano kaya yun? I call you old, my friend. Oh my God. So pure-hearted. He's calling girl daw. Bakit naka-held siya? So, respect. Anshol, just respect and be nice. Respect to the old people like me. Hey, I'm going to sleep. Okay, but Yoberbat, thank you so much. Ganyan pag ayaw ni Lolo mabasa. Good night, Overbot, but do remember I have texted you on Instagram. Okay, I will check later. Maybe you sent something bad. Good night, Overbot. Thank you so much for a nice Noah. I really love old people like you. Oh man. SMB talaga. San Miguel. San Miguel Beer. SMB. That's a short Oh, I think it's time for me to take a nap. Okay, good night. Good night. Hey, Anshol, respect to the old people, okay? Oh my God, this young kid. This young kid. Dun, dun, dun. Young kid. Nangayo siya. Naghingi siya ng ano sa imo. Ano? Sheremy. Instagram. Pwede ba makaakyat dito? Ewan ko kung pwede. Kasi nasa phone lang ako eh. Paano yan? Hindi pwede.